Hey guys, it's Kyler again with Hydrofin. We're here today to take a deeper dive in our two tritoon products. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date with the newest content and videos that we will be posting in the coming months. So before we get started on the two tritoon products, I want to address a common question that we get. How are we installing these wings, and are you drilling any holes into the logs of my boat? Well, we are not and never will drill any holes into the log of your boat. We use this mounting plate and this mounting plate right here and a structural adhesive. So we will cover these plates with structural adhesive and essentially glue it to your boat. This stuff is crazy strong. It's as good as welding, so you don't have to worry about it ever coming off. Once it's on there, it's there to stay. So I did mention that we have two different products for tritoons, but there's obviously three wings sitting here. So to clear that up, we have this. This is our rear foil, and it will be used on both applications. So that is why there are three wings sitting here. Now, with tritoons, we decided we needed two different wings because we kind of look at it like propping a boat. Every boat, depending on the size and the weight, needs a different wing. Now, all of these wings have the ability to adjust the angle of attack. We can loosen up some screws either on the front or the back side, depending on which model it is, and get a positive angle of attack, negative angle of attack, or even. And that just allows us, again, like propping a boat, we're gonna match up the right wing, the right angle of attack for your boat to get the best performance possible. Now, this Super Ride and the Super Ride XL, that is our two tritoon products. The Super Ride is gonna be our high-speed application. That is gonna be boats from 30 to 50 miles per hour. And the Super Ride XL is gonna be boats from 20 to 40 miles per hour. To give you an example of kind of the lifting forces between these two products, at 35 miles per hour, the Super Ride will generate 800 pounds of lifting force, and the Super Ride XL will generate 1,500 pounds. Now, lifting force with hydrofoils is exponential, so as you go above 35 miles per hour, this wing, the Super Ride, is going to generate more and more lift, and it will be great for those high-speed boats. That is basically the difference between the two. So this one is going to be for the 20 to 40 mile per hour boats, and this one is going to be for the higher end 250, 300 horsepower tritoon. We are excited to have products for now both pontoons and tritoons. We can cover all the boats. And to let you know, we are continuously growing our dealer network around the country. But if we don't have a dealer in your area, we do offer mobile installs. So if you want Hydrofin on your boat, we can get it done. Thanks, guys.